Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a magic ring, also called a magic circle. This technique is perfect for projects like amigurumi, hats, and granny circles, anything that starts in the round and needs a tight center. Step 1. Create the loop. Hold the yarn tail in your hand and wrap the yarn around your fingers, forming a loop. Make sure the working yarn crosses over the tail, like an X. Step 2. Insert your hook. Now, insert your crochet hook under the first strand, grab the second strand, and pull it through. Now, yarn over the same strand and pull through. This is chaining 1 to secure the ring. This step locks everything in place, so your magic ring doesn't fall apart. Step 4. Crochet into the ring. Now you can start working your stitches directly into the ring. For example, I'm going to make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you're crocheting over both strands, the loop and the yarn tail. Step 5. Close the magic ring. Here's the magic sparkles. Hold your stitches with one hand, then gently pull the yarn tail with the other. Watch the center close up completely, no hole. Once it's tight, you can join with a slip stitch or continue working in a round, depending on your pattern. And that's it! You've just learned how to crochet a magic ring party popper. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.